Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to watch Plex app or watch Plex TV on your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So if you have a Hisense Smart TV and want to watch content from Plex, here's what to do. You have to make sure the application is installed to your Hisense Smart TV. Here's it over here. Now, if it's not installed and you want to use it, just go over to your App Store. You go over to your App Store over here, and then please make sure that your system is updated. In the search box, just go ahead and search for the application Plex, and here's it over here. And then you just go ahead and launch it because it's already installed to my Hisense Smart TV. Launch it, and then you can go ahead and watch the content on Plex over here. Now you'll be asked to create an account or log into your account if you have one, but you can go ahead and do that. It's as easy as possible, and create your account, and then you can start watching the content that's available on Plex without any issues. So here's how it looks like. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.